Yo, what's going on guys? It's John again with my S2000, and I know it's been some time since you've last seen me, but the S2000 has made some pretty good progress in where I want it to go for the build. But don't worry, I have vlogged all of that progress, and let me take you back in time to show you how the car that you saw before became the car how it is today. So let's get right into it. I've owned the S2000 for over a month now, and I've already driven it over 1,000 miles because every single weekend when it's nice out, I try my best to just put as much miles as I can because I love driving this car. But the one thing I have noticed that I feel like needs to be changed in this car is the exhaust. This is a pretty much all factory S2000, so it's a blank slate. I could put it and build it whichever way I decide I want to go. And one of the main reasons why I wanted a car all OEM is just the fact that I'm not taking over someone's build. Whatever I envision will be what the car will end up being. So the first thing that we're gonna be doing today is actually installing the exhaust. So let's get to it. So over here you can kind of see the dual exhaust that the car originally came with. I personally wasn't sure if I was gonna go dual exhaust or single exhaust, but I've driven a few of my friends' cars recently, and my favorite one so far was a Jay's Racing 70RR. However, that was way too loud for street use, and even I think some tracks limit how loud the exhaust can be, and I think that one was like well over 100 decibels. So I didn't want to do that, so what I'm going to be doing is actually installing this one. This is the HKS single exit exhaust that a lot of people have been running recently, and it's all because it sounds amazing in my opinion. So this is what's all included into the 3-inch HKS exhaust. You obviously have the exhaust itself, some hardware, and a titanium tip. So let's get this installed onto my car. This is my first time really looking underneath the car, and it's actually really clean. Gonna go for a grandiose paint shot, right?
To go for a grandiose pan shot, so we just gotta you gotta smooth it, right? Smoothing it after edit.
Oh my God! Very artistic.
just finished putting the exhaust onto the car with my dad's help. And now it's for the first time we're gonna be doing a startup. So let's hear how she sounds. Excited, man. That definitely opened up the car. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so nice. Excited to drive this on the road. Alright, well my battery's about to die, so the next clip is gonna be us taking it for a test drive and hearing how it sounds from the inside and the outside. So let's do it.